Lovelies, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make carrot extract whitening soap at home, how you can do that at the comfort of your home. Okay guys, so without much talk, let's get right into it. But before then, as you watch and you like what you're seeing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Okay, so let's get right into it. So guys, to make the carrot extract whitening soap, the first thing you will need is carrot. Go ahead and get about 2 to 3 sticks of carrot. Then you start grating it. You grate it in a way that it will be in a very thin form, like I don't know, like as if you're making chips. Okay, if you don't want to grate, you can use your knife and cut it in such a way that it can be easy to dry. So carrot is the main key ingredient in this soap making, because carrot has a lot of skin benefits. It helps to improve the skin glow. Carrots are rich in carotenoids, mainly B-carotene and the lycopene, which display powerful antioxidant properties and are also responsible for the bright red and orange hues. This fights skin damages and helps to reduce dark spots. To use carrot to improve your skin glow, you can either consume it or apply it on your skin. So both consumption and the application of carrot juice can help prevent dullness and enhance your skin glow. So either way can work, but here we are trying to make it in such a way that we can use it on our skin. Okay, so now after grating the carrot, the next thing is to go ahead, put it into this plate. You see the way I'm trying to separate them so that they can dry very fast. So after that, the next thing is that I'll go ahead and also add tangerine. I'll add the skin of tangerine. If you don't have tangerine, the next option is orange. You can peel orange and use the skin. So I am adding this because they also contain vitamin C and they also help in skin lightening. They will also help the skin of orange or tangerine. They help to, reduce the signs of dark spots and acne. So now I'll go ahead and dry it because I am in Europe and there's no sunshine here. So if you're staying in a place like has a lot of sunshine, then you don't have to put it in oven. Just sun dry it, leave it in the sun to dry. Then you make use of it. I am doing this because there is no sun right now. Okay, so this is the next day. I didn't turn on the oven to the highest. I just put it, I think 50 degrees or so, and I opened it a little bit. So now it has dried. The next thing to do is to proceed with the soap making. And to make the soap, this is what I'll be using. You can decide to use soap base. This is plain soap base. This white one right now is plain soap base. There is nothing in it. It's just soap, plain soap base. But I'll be using this cyan. This cyan is a soap already, so that's the one I want to use. Now I will start by grating it. I'm trying to break it into pieces so that it will be easy for me to melt. If you're using the plain soap base, it's still the same method. You just go ahead and cut it into pieces so that it can melt easily. Okay, so you can also use knife. I'm trying to show you that you can also use knife to do this. It must not be grater. So once that is done, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and get a pot, add water into the pot and place it on the cooker. So guys, right now the water is boiling. I'll place this rubber ball into the pot. Then I'll add the soap flakes, the soap powder into it. So after adding everything, I'll go ahead and give it a mix. And after that, I'll now go ahead and prep the dry orange and carrot. So I'll start by adding it into the blender. So add it into the blender and add little to no water. So guys, like I said, carrot has a lot of skin benefits. Carrot helps to, improve the skin elasticity. It also helps to treat skin blemishes. Carrot nourishes dry skin. There are a lot of skin benefits of carrot. So now I will start by blending it. After blending, at this point guys, I wanted to blend without adding anything at all,
But at this point, I decided to add a carrier oil to help blend it very well. And the carrier oil I'll be using is Johnson baby oil. You can use any carrier oil. You can use what is it called? Almond oil, any oil that is suitable to your skin, you can use that. Okay, so I also went ahead and I added little warm water to it. This is to help blend it very well. Okay guys, now I'm done blending. If you like, you can sieve it to get rid of the ones that didn't blend well, but I feel like there's no need for that. At this point, I noticed that this rubber bowl was not conducting heat, so the soap was not melting. I had to transfer it to this one. This will help the soap to melt. The rubber one wasn't conducting heat, so I transferred into this glass bowl. So now I'll go ahead and keep stirring as to help the soap to melt easily. At this point now, it has melted a little bit. I'll go ahead and add the blended orange, carrot, carrier oil, and little water. Those are the components of what I am adding right now. So I'll go ahead and add it into the soap. Then I'll keep on stirring. But as you're stirring, you don't have to stir much so that the soap will not start forming lather. Okay, so that's it, guys. For those of you that in the other video, some people were asking me what if they don't have heat resistant bowl. You can see what happened now. I used the rubber one, but because it's rubber, it was not able to conduct heat, thereby the soap was not melting. So as you can see, it's not possible. So you have to use either metal plate or glass plate, either metal bowl or pot. In fact, you can even use pot. So now I'll keep on mixing until everything dissolves very well. But for this soap, I found out that it was being difficult to melt, probably because the carrier soap was so dry, it was so hard. Like, there are some soaps that you will get, they will be soft when you press it, but the one I used was so dry, it was so hard. So at this point, I'll go ahead and add honey to it, 2 tablespoons of honey. Then after that, the next one is vitamin E. This vitamin E is necessary. It will help to boost the effect. Vitamin E is good for the skin. It helps to increase the elasticity of the skin. It helps the skin a lot. So it's necessary to add it. So after adding it, I'll go ahead and give it a mix. So at this point, guys, everything is almost melted. I'll take it off the cooker. Now get your soap mold. Transfer the soap into the soap mold. Please do this while the soap is still hot. If you let it cool down, you cannot transfer it anymore. Okay, and you can use any rubber plate if you don't have soap mold. As you can see, I'm still having some lumps into it, but that's not a problem. Okay, if you're not comfortable with the lumps you're seeing, you can sieve it, but trust me, it's not an issue. So after adding it into the soap mold, you leave it outside for some days to cool down. Leave it for some hours to cool down. This is the next day, it has cooled down. I'll now go ahead and show you guys how you can use this soap for maximum result.
So guys, I have the soap here and I'll be sharing with you guys how you can use it for maximum effect. Okay, if you have acne on your face like me, this is me before and this is me right now. I have little to no acne on my face, as you all can see. So if you have serious acne on your face, you can go ahead and use it this way for maximum result. Okay, so go ahead and take 1 tablet of the soap. The first thing you have to do is dip it into water. 1 minute. So now I have the soap. I already dipped it into water. Then go ahead and rub it all over your face. Go ahead and rub it on your face. This is mostly the effective way. This soap will give you what you want. So go ahead and apply it all over your face. Then after doing that, you wait for some minutes before you start bathing. Okay, you can also use this on your skin, on your body. But how I use it is that I mostly, first of all, use the soap, rub it the places I have serious acne issues or dark spot issues, like on my face, under my arm, on my elbow, all the places I have serious dark spot issue. I'll go ahead and rub the soap there, and after that I'll wait for it to dry before I head to the bathroom. Okay guys, so this is how you can make your own carrot extract whitening soap at home. Okay, and this is super effective guys. For the soap, you can use it on your face, you can use it on your body, but for maximum effect, before you go into the bathroom, just first of all dip the soap into water, rub it on the places you have the dark spots and the scars. Rub it there and wait for some minutes before you proceed with your bathing. Okay, so that is it guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next one. For now, bye.